Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your Paysafecard account. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into our Paysafe account. Okay, say for example, if you are having problems logging into your Paysafe account, say it's geo-restricted. That means if you are in another country or a specific region, you might want to use a VPN for you to be able to access your Paysafecard. Now, if that happens, if you are unable to access your Paysafecard, do not worry because you can contact the support later. Okay, but for the meantime, if you are able to do so, please go to the Paysafecard settings on your personal account. Now, from your account settings, you need to hover down where it says it's on the settings menu, and at the very bottom you need to hover down where it says close area, okay, or close access area. Now when you see that, all you're gonna do is simply click on close, and then you will receive a notification that you are trying to terminate your agreement and close your access area. And should you require any further assistance, you simply contact the Paysafe support. But if you are sure, all you're gonna do is choose close access area, okay? And once you have done that, now remember earlier that I told you if you're having problems accessing your Paysafecard area or your account, and you're having troubles deleting your account for some reason because the specific geolocation is restricting you to do that, all you're gonna do is go here at the support center, wherein you can explore your account and card, okay? And then you need to provide all the information for the support center that they could help you in terms of deleting your Paysafecard account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.